In front of me is OPPO FIND N2 FLIP, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this OPPO. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now white. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can go into settings instead, scroll down and look for location section. When you find it, click on it. Lastly, manage location thanks to this switcher, and this way turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!